We're the Travel Fam, and this is our travel guide for the Greek island of Rhodes. It really is an island that has everything you need for a wonderful family break. Great beaches, amazing food, culture and history, beautiful sunsets, and loads of fun activities that your kids will enjoy. So let's explore our top 7 things to do with kids on the island of Rhodes. We stayed in a private villa around 20 minutes drive from the resort of Falaraki and 15 minutes drive from the Old Town of Rhodes, and that's where we'll start our guide. The Old Town of Rhodes is a fascinating place for families to explore. As one of the best preserved medieval towns in Europe, it feels like you're stepping back in time. Kids will love wandering the narrow cobble streets, discovering hidden courtyards, and spotting towering walls and gates that once protected the city. There's plenty of space to roam, and there's lots of small cafes where you can take a break. Cats lounge in the sun, market stalls sell souvenirs, so make sure they have their pocket money with them. The Old Town of Rhodes is a perfect choice for families visiting the island. We went on a 2-hour private scooter tour which took us beyond the town centre. It's a great way to bring the city to life for young travellers. We even found a break in the city walls which led us through to a hidden amphitheatre. Our girls loved it, and they treated us to an impromptu performance. Aren't we lucky? Don't forget to call in at the Olympic Stadium just outside Rhodes Old Town. It dates back to the 2nd century BC. It was way too hot to race on our visit. Rhodes Old Town is a popular place, so expect it to be very busy, and it does get very hot. Take your time. We chose to visit 3 times, and 1 time at night. It's a completely different, slightly cooler experience. Lindos is one of the most beautiful towns on the island of Rhodes. With its whitewashed houses, narrow streets and stunning sea views, it's a must-visit spot. Prepare yourself, there's going to be lots of steps. At the top of the hill stands the Acropolis of Lindos, an ancient fortress with incredible history. Once a temple dedicated to Athena, it later became a medieval castle. The views from up there are breathtaking, stretching over the Aegean Sea. Be warned, it's very, very hot. Take drinks and sensible shoes. I'd suggest visiting in the coolest points in the day. Lindos is a perfect mix of history, culture, and seaside charm. On our way to Butterfly Valley, we stumbled across a natural spring where we explored, used the bathroom, and ended up wandering through a 1,000-metre tunnel of water. It's mad what you find sometimes.
This is cool. I like it.
Terrifying.
We made it. Now, back in the car and let's go see some butterflies. Butterfly Valley isn't a long activity. I expected the butterflies to be trapped in, but in fact between June and September, thousands of butterflies gather in the trees here. It's definitely worth seeing. From Rhodes Harbour, you'll find many options for boat trip excursions. We decided to visit the island of Symi on a fast boat that took around an hour to get there. Symi is famous for its colourful neoclassical houses, crystal clear waters, and relaxing atmosphere. As you arrive at the harbour, you're greeted by postcard, perfect view, rows of pastel-coloured buildings climbing up the hillside. Stroll through the charming streets or stop at a seaside taverna for some fresh seafood. Before heading back to Rhodes, our tour took us to a small beach with clear blue waters, a chance to cool off in the mid-afternoon heat. highly recommended. Whilst the water was lovely and we saw plenty of fish, the current was strong, so make sure your young ones are strong swimmers. Okay, we decided to take a mid-vacation break from the culture and go all-out kid fun at Faliraki Waterpark, the biggest and best on Rhodes, packed with rides for all ages. With a great wave pool, lazy river to relax, and of course, plenty of choice for those thrill seekers out there. With kids play areas, family-friendly attractions and plenty of places to grab a snack, it really is a good day out. We're a foodie family, and that's one of the reasons we love Greece. The cuisine on Rhodes did not disappoint. We can't get enough of a good meze, but seriously, everything we ate was exceptional. Based on our experience, it was the best food we've had in Europe. Check reviews before you visit restaurants. We did, and it worked. Finally, before I go, I wanted to give you a glimpse of Villa Maya Mountain View, one of the largest private villas we've stayed in. 4 beds and an outside area to die for. It's available to book through booking.com or Airbnb. I'm not getting paid to say that. You'll need a car if you're staying there though. It's only 20 minutes drive from the airport. It was an amazing holiday in Rhodes. We're going to go back to Greece again soon, but where, we've not decided quite yet. Thanks for watching. Please ask any questions in the comments, and don't forget, it means the world if you subscribe to the channel. We'll have more travel videos coming very soon.